Para sa ako, this place has the best crispy pata and lami pud kaayo ang ilahang mga seafood. This place I'm talking about is none other than Chubi Chubi. Hello again guys, ug banamis ako ang family ug family ni Mosang and family ni KPC Daily. Kay nangaon mi diri og dinner sa the compound, specifically sa Chubi Chubi. This is just one of their branches. They also have another branch at the second floor of SM Lanang. Daghan ma-accommodate na people guys and the interior is so nice. Karon guys, kay flash na ko diri ang ilahang menu, feel free to pause it na lang to check out all their food offerings. Aside from Filipino dishes, they are very known for their seafoods as well. And for a big group like us, this is what we got. We got the citrus splash. We also got green Kool-Aid. Next is we also got the black pepper shrimp, Chubi pork barbecue, bone marrow. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Salted fish fried rice, tuna belly. Guys, this is a must try by the way. Their Chubi pata, which is my fave. We also got salted egg shrimp in a bag, Chilean mussels, naapot sila pork sisig. We also got their baked Japanese oysters, their Patrick Star baked scallop, cheese overloaded Chilean mussels, and we also got steamed pompano. Tara guys, sa exciting part na puta, starting with the bone marrow. It's not the healthiest food option no, pero fan good ko sa bone marrow dere sa Chubi Chubi. It was so good. The pork barbecue was also good guys. Ganahan kay ko sa templada sa iyang sauce. Up next, ang salted egg shrimp na pud guys, and when I tried it, it was actually good. Although dili lang kay nako nalasahan ang salted egg. Sa baked Japanese oyster na putta guys, look how big it is. Grabe yun niya ka cheesy, and when I tried it, yummy kay guys. Naka-disc of Davao Happy Dance good ko. The pork sisig was okay guys, but I prefer it to be crispy bang good. So yeah, it was okay lang for me. Cheesy Chilean mussels na putta guys, lami jud kay siya. You should add this to your list, promise. The salted fish fried rice guys, lami kay siya and perfect kay siya i-pair sa ako ang barbecue. This one guys, the tuna belly is a good ni sa ako ang ginabalik-balikan diri, and yes, comfort food kain ako ni diri sa Chubi Chubi. Karon guys, kay mag Chilean mussels na pudta. Guys, look at it. Grabe niya ka big, dili na jud ka lugi ani, and when I tried it, lami kay siya at first guys, unya kadugayan. Merese girl, halang di ay kaayo, my goodness. Not to the rescue gud ang akong juice ani. Naguba gyud ang nawong ni Disc of Davao. Anyway, the baked scallops guys, it was so good, cheesy kay siya and pasado kay sa ako. Diri na ta guys, akong favorite ang Chubi pata or ang ilahang crispy pata. Kana magkog natilawan na crispy pata guys, no? Pero murag kani jud ang ako ang number one thus far. Resibo time, it's either hubas na ang among gipang order or naali gamay na lang gyud na bilin. Last but not the least, dessert time na pud ta guys, and amo ang gi-order is halo-halo. And this is what it looks like up close. Their halo-halo was okay guys. It wasn't really that life-changing, no? Pero pwede na kaayo. Lamig gyapon siya guys, and even my husband likes the halo-halo. Serving size is generous as well. I honestly think it's a no-brainer nga no ginabalik-balikan gyapon sa mga tao ning Chubi Chubi. And daghan jud kay nagakaon dere. Overall rating na pud ta guys, for me the food is 1,000 out of 10 and affordable pagid kay siya. Place is a 9 out of 10 and customer service was very good. Guys, idungag na ning Chubi Chubi sa inyong listahan. Kato lang guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!